All of the public safety chaplains in the region that represent the jurisdiction surrounding DC come together twice a year for training. We train to learn about how to help our residents and our public safety community in times of disaster or times of kind of major traumatic events. Today, we're bringing together community chaplains, hospital chaplains, police, fire chaplains, and military chaplains, along with even some community clergy, to come and learn about how to minister to people when there's a mass shooting event. So this summer, we had this terrible massacre in Aurora, Colorado at the movie theater. Chaplains responded to that scene and responded to the community in general after the fact to help people who are suffering from post-traumatic syndrome. So every year we come together as chaplains in the entire community to help train for different types of events that might occur here in the Washington area.